how to get your first $1 million on Upwork. My name is Anton, and on this channel there won't be any theoretical bullshit. Only my first-hand experience, because I started on Upwork with no experience in October 2022, staying in a war-torn Ukraine. And the same day, I filmed the first video for the channel. Since that day, I have shared every milestone of the journey. First job, first $1,000, first $5,000 a month. Also, I'm sharing the challenges I face, negative feedback, toxic and disrespectful clients, and unstable income. Today, I run an agency and about 50% of the clients I get are from Upwork. It's roughly $7,000 a month. My goal is to earn $1 million on Upwork as fast as possible and teach others to do the same. Why I'm setting this goal? First, setting clear goals is the first step in turning the invisible into visible. Second, as Sam Walton once said, high expectations are key to everything. By striving for high income, we are getting familiar with the standards of service high-ticket clients expect. I clearly understand that all great achievements require time. It will take time to develop my sales skills, my communication skills, and the service I provide at a world-class level. You can expect that most of the content on this channel will be on these topics. My plan is to reach the top level and take those of you who are willing to learn with me. Aside from the money, I want you to earn pride in your craft. And the only way I see it is to get a fair reward for the excellent service. If you undervalue your service, the world will certainly undervalue who you are. The goal of $1 million is also an attempt to not settle on average. I want to elevate my game to the top level and help you to do the same. Some of you will succeed and some may fail, but I promise to give all of myself to this goal. Hopefully you are going to do the same. So follow my channel if you want to join the movement and take the first step toward your first $1 million on Upwork.